Hi guys, just a quick unboxing video. It's the Little Giant by Böker. So we've got the limited lifetime warranty in there as well. Straight away you can feel the weight of this. Really nice for a small blade. It's got quite a substantial weight to it. Nice sheath. Feels nice and balanced. It's got a good grip on there. Nice thumb placement on top of the blade. I haven't got particularly big hands, but I get a nice grip on that blade. Feels really nice in the hand. Nice click when it goes back in. I always love that. Got a nice clip here as well, so you can clip that onto a belt or any way you want to carry it, really, on a rucksack, on a chest rig, whatever you prefer. It's got an overall blade length here of around 3.5 inches, and then an overall length of just over 7 inches. So it's a nice, compact, weighty piece of kit that I think will last forever. So yeah, that's the Magnum by Böker Little Giant.